Welcome to our acupuncture and massage class in Shanxi University of TCM. Last time, we have learned the cyclical flowing of the heart meridian. Now, we will study the acupoints of heart meridian of hand, Shao Yin. There are 9 acupoints on each side, 18 acupoints in number on both sides, which are located on the axillary region and the palmar aspect of the ulnar side. The first acupoint is heart 1, 极泉, and the last one, heart 9, 少冲. 5 commonly used acupoints are selected and introduced in this lecture. Now, let's study the first acupoint, heart 1. The Chinese name is 极泉. First, we can look at the location of the acupoint. Let the arm stretch out. The acupoint is located in the center of the axilla, on the pulsation point of the axillary artery. Next, we will study the indications of the acupoint. As the acupoint of heart meridian, 极泉 can be used to treat heart diseases, angina pectoris, chest distress, etc. Combined with lung 5 and large intestine 4, it is commonly used to treat paralysis of the upper extremities. It also can be used to treat local problems, such as cold pain in the arm and shoulder. The needle method of the acupoint is puncture it perpendicularly or obliquely and insert the filiform needle into the body about 0.3 to 0.5 cun. We should avoid puncture the artery. We can use moxibustion on the point for 5 to 10 minutes or 2 to 3 moxa cones. Okay, let's study next acupoint, heart 5. The Chinese name is Tongli. First, we can look at the location of the acupoint. When the palm is turned upward, it is on the radial side of the tendon of muscle flexor carpi ulnaris, 1 cun above the transverse crease of the waist. Next, we can look at the indications of the acupoint. As the acupoint of heart meridian, Tongli can be used to treat heart diseases such as palpitation, dizziness. As a law connecting acupoint, Tongli is a main point for sudden loss of voice, stiffness of the tongue, aphasia due to stiff tongue. Combined with heart 3, it also can be used to treat meridian diseases such as pain in the waist and arm. We always puncture it perpendicularly and insert the filiform needle into the acupoint about 0.3 to 0.5 cun. The third acupoint we will introduce, heart 7. The Chinese name is Shenmen. Shenmen means the entrance of the mind. First, we can look at the location of the acupoint. This acupoint is located at the ulnar end of the transverse crease of the waist, in the depression on the radial side of the tendon of muscle flexor carpi ulnaris. Next, we can study the indications of the acupoint. As the acupoint of heart meridian, Shenmen is a main point for diseases of heart problems, such as cardiac pain, palpitation due to fright, irritability, chest pain. As a yuan source acupoint of heart meridian, Shenmen serves as a good source of tranquility. It is commonly used to treat neuropsychiatric symptoms such as insomnia, mania, apoplexy, dementia. It always combined with spleen 6 to treat insomnia. Needle method of this acupoint is puncture it perpendicularly and insert the filiform needle into the body, about 0.3 to 0.5 turn. After we have learned Heart 7, now we can study the acupoint Heart 8. The Chinese name is Shaofu. First, we can look at the location of the acupoint. When the palm is turned upward, the point is located between the 4th and 5th metacarpal bones. When the fist is formed, the point is where the tip of the little finger touches. Next, we can study the indications of the acupoint. As the acupoint of heart meridian, Shaofu can be used to treat cardiac pain, palpitation due to fright, irritability, chest pain. As an in-spring acupoint, Shaofu has the function of clearing the heart fire. It can be used to treat febrile diseases, pruritus, and pain of the external genitalia. It also can be used to treat local problems, such as spasmodic pain of the little finger. The last acupoint we will study is Heart 9. The Chinese name is Shaochong. First, we can look at the location of the acupoint. Shaochong is located on the radial side of the little finger, about 0.1 turn lateral posterior to the corner of the nail. Next, we can study the indications of the acupoint. As a Jingwell acupoint, Shaochong has the function of resuscitation. Packet bleeding combined with other Jingwell acupoint can treat loss of consciousness, coma, mania, etc. As an acupoint heart meridian, this acupoint also can be used to treat cardiac pain, palpitation due to fright, irritability, chest pain. It also can be used to treat local problems, such as spasmodic pain or numbness of the little finger. We always puncture it superficially, and the dip is about 0.1 turn. Okay, that's the content for this lecture. See you next time.